How to create an Instagram business account. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can create an Instagram business account. So let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app and then you have to click this profile icon on the bottom right corner, and now click these three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and now scroll down until you find the option that says account type in tools and choose it. And now you have to click switch to professional account and then click continue. And once you're done with clicking the continue, click display on profile and choose the suggested category that you want, and then click done. I'm going to go with grocery store. And once click done, it can take up to 30 seconds, so be patient. And now this is the main page. Here you can see, are you a business? Click business over here and then click next. And now you have to just add your details over here, and if you want you can not use your contact info, and then you're good to go. And now just click skip over here, or you can log in and connect to your Facebook, and then you have to just cross over here on the top, and that's how you create a business account on Instagram. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.